Welcome to SN Auto Luxury, your one-stop destination for in-depth car reviews, detailed specifications, and insightful features of the latest automobiles. Today, we are diving into the Renault Duster, a popular SUV known for its rugged design, practicality, and performance. The Renault Duster has made a strong presence in the SUV market, appealing to buyers who seek a balance between urban driving and off-road capability. It comes with a bold and muscular stance, featuring a high ground clearance that enhances its road presence. The signature grille, complemented by stylish headlamps, adds to its aggressive look. The sculpted body lines, flared wheel arches, and roof rails further contribute to its adventure-ready appeal. Under the hood, the Renault Duster offers multiple engine options, catering to different driving preferences. The petrol variants are powered by a refined and efficient engine, delivering a smooth driving experience with good fuel economy. For those who prefer diesel, the powerful and torquey diesel engine ensures impressive performance, especially on rough terrains. The transmission choices include a manual gearbox and an automatic CVT option, allowing drivers to select according to their convenience and driving style. The all-wheel drive variant enhances off-road capabilities, making it a suitable companion for adventure enthusiasts. Stepping inside, the Renault Duster features a well-laid-out cabin with a functional design. The seats offer good support and comfort, ensuring a relaxed drive even on long journeys. The use of premium materials, soft-touch elements, and practical storage spaces make the interior both stylish and convenient. The driver-focused dashboard is equipped with a touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless connectivity. Features like automatic climate control, steering-mounted controls, and a premium sound system add to the overall convenience and entertainment experience. Safety is a crucial aspect of the Renault Duster, and it comes equipped with a range of features to ensure a secure drive. Standard safety equipment includes dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. Higher variants offer additional features like electronic stability control, hill start assist, and side airbags for enhanced protection. The strong build quality and sturdy chassis further contribute to its safety credentials, making it a reliable choice for families and adventure seekers alike. The Renault Duster is known for its excellent ride quality, thanks to its well-tuned suspension setup. It absorbs road undulations effectively, ensuring a comfortable drive even on rough surfaces. The steering is well-weighted, offering good feedback, making it easy to maneuver in city traffic while remaining stable on highways. The SUV's off-road capabilities are enhanced by its capable drivetrain, high approach and departure angles, and underbody protection, making it a go-to option for those who love exploring offbeat trails. When it comes to ownership experience, the Renault Duster stands out with its affordable maintenance costs and strong resale value. Renault has a widespread service network, ensuring that customers have easy access to after-sales support. The SUV's robust build and proven durability make it a long-lasting companion, whether for daily commutes or adventurous road trips. Overall, the Renault Duster is a well-rounded SUV that offers a blend of style, performance, and practicality. It is an ideal choice for those looking for a rugged yet comfortable vehicle that can handle different terrains with ease. Whether you are an urban driver seeking a commanding presence on the road or an off-road enthusiast looking for adventure, the Duster delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to SN Auto Luxury for more insightful car reviews, latest updates, and expert opinions. Stay tuned for more exciting content and keep exploring the world of automobiles with us. Here is the note for your YouTube video on the Renault Duster. Let me know if you'd like any modifications or additions.